Hey friends, what's up? This is Samvel here and I hope you guys are doing absolutely great in your life. In one of my last few videos, I have talked about what is freelancing, what are the different skills and platforms related to this area. In this video, I am going to talk about what are the pros and cons of freelancing so you can make a detailed and best decision for yourself that whether you want to do this or not. So for all that and more, please watch this video till the very end. Please hit the subscribe button and please hit the bell button to get all the videos update. Now let's start with the pros. The first one is flexibility. Freelancers have the flexibility to decide their work hours, how much time they want to work on a certain project, whether they want to work on weekends or not. Freelancers have the flexibility to decide all these by themselves. The second one is exposure. Freelancers get the chance to work with variety of clients from all over the world. They might get a chance to work with their native people, with people all around the world. So they get a lot of exposure which enhances the communication skill in them, which we all know that communication skill is how much important in today's generation to succeed in life. Now the third one is control of workload. Another benefit of working as a freelancer is that you can choose your workload. You can work as much little as you want. You can work on certain projects that you wish to work on. The fourth one is money. When you are a newbie at freelancing, then you might get underpaid. But once you create your portfolio and once you have something to show to the clients, then sky is your limit. Freelancing is that skill when you can charge anything which you want depending upon your skill. So enhancing your skill each and every day is very important for freelancers. Now let's talk about cons. First cons is lacks of benefit. Freelancers don't get those benefits which a company's employees get. Freelancers have to fund their insurance and each and everything all by themselves. Now the second is cash flow issue. The most worrisome issue in the life of freelancer is cash flow. You might see a freelancer getting a lot of work and lot of money in certain month, and the another month he has nothing to do. He will not earn a single dollar. So maintaining the cash flow in freelancing is very hard task to do. So cash flow is very uneven thing in freelancing. So that's why freelancers develop this system of retainership in which a company retain a freelancer to work certain hours per month or per week. Now the other is isolation. This is also very big problem in the life of freelancers. There might be some people who wish to work alone, but the major quantity of people want to work in a group. Take me as an example. I also want to work in a group because your group pushes you to enhance yourself, to upgrade yourself each and every day, to give your best each and every day. When you are in a group, that creates a sense of competition between the other teammates, which helps you to get better results both for you and for your organization. So despite all these pros and cons, here's my one suggestion that if you are in your teens or if you are in your early 20s, then you should try freelancing. And why is that? I'll make another video for that one. Okay, so just try freelancing once, and if you don't feel like doing it, then drop it. But please, once in your life, try freelancing. In the end, if you really gained any value from this video, then please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell button to get all the videos update. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. In the end, this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day.